So what is the significance and difference between these two attributes of Allah? Al-Aziz, which is the great, and Al Kabeer, which is the incomparably great. Sorry.
Aziz and Kabeer. What's the difference between two attributes of Allah, Al-Aziz and Al Kabeer? Al-Azeem and Al Kabeer.
Yeah, the great and incredibly great.
And Kabeer.
Yes.
In fact, the word Azeem indicates who has eternal expanse, and word Ola means in this direction. So the Holy Quran also uses the words Kabeer. Kabeer is in the sense of a person who is very big and who should be respected. It is also applied to human beings. When we call a human being Azeem, which means that he is very great, but not as great as God, of course, because when we apply the same terms to human beings, they acquire a different meaning according to the context. But at the same time, we should remember that we generally name people as Abdul Azeem, not Azeem. We don't say Azeem Ahmed. If some people do, they make a mistake. We always christen somebody or name somebody as Abdul Azeem. So all people are Azeem only relatively, but Al-Azeem is God. There is no greatness greater than God's. And Kabeer also applies to the same, but in slightly different sense, as I have just told you. Al-Kabeer is the most respect-worthy. Like your elders are Kabeer and you respect them. Similarly, God should be shown all respect and listened to. Right?
وضحت المنين